For this procedure, we will be replacing the LED strip on the Seismic Series recliner chair. First, flip the chair forward so you may have access to the bottom of the chair. From the bottom of the chair, locate the red and black LED wire and disconnect the male end connector of the plug from the female connector. With a cutting tool, cut off the plastic zip ties from the black metal frame following the path of the LED wire along the metal frame. This will allow the LED wire to become free from the metal frame. Free up and separate the LED wire from the metal frame. From the base of the LED light strip, gently pull the wire in an upward direction. This will allow the light strip to become detached from the metal frame. With the adhesive backing removed from the LED light strip, attach the LED lighting strip to the black metal frame. Slightly apply pressure to the front of the strip, making sure that the strip is attached to the frame. With zip ties, secure the wire to the metal frame, in the same path you removed the old wire. Next, reconnect the male end of the connector of the LED wire to the female end connector. Double check all zip ties are secure along the metal frame. With the cutting tool, cut off the extra end of the zip ties. And finally, tip the chair back to the original setting.